Welcome to our channel. Today, we will discuss a captivating plant that has been utilized for quite a long time for its medical advantages. Bee Balm, otherwise called Monarda, is a perennial herb in the mint family that is native to North America with many purposes in traditional medication. From reducing inflammation to boosting the immune system, Bee Balm herb is truly a nature's miracle. It grows up to 3 feet tall and produces striking red, pink, or purple flowers. Bee Balm has been utilized for therapeutic purposes for centuries by native individuals. In this video, we'll investigate a portion of the great medical advantages of Bee Balm and how you can integrate it into your day-to-day practice. But before we get going, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it now. Please press the bell icon below. It is found that Bee Balm have rich variety of essential oils, flavonoids, and other compounds that have huge amount of beneficial effect on the human body. Let's further explore on how Bee Balm can assist with working on your well-being and improve your health. Acting as a digestive aid, Bee Balm also play important role by relieving digestive issues like bloating, gas, and cramping because of its antispasmodic and carminative properties. One of the easiest ways to enjoy the health benefits of Bee Balm is by making a tea. Bee Balm tea can effectively ease anxiety, calm nerves, and promote relaxation. Along with all these, it also helps in relieving headaches and migraines. Honeybees use Bee Balm flowers as a natural source for nectar, and produce delicious and nutritious honey from it. Bee Balm honey has antibacterial properties, and is high in antioxidants and is helpful for soothing sore throats and coughs. Because of its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, Bee Balm act as a great choice for natural skin care. When used as a topical medication, it helps in curing skin diseases like eczema, psoriasis, acne, and severe dermatitis. Finally, Bee Balm essential oil is a powerful tool for aromatherapy. Its fresh, citrusy scent can help reducing stress, improving mental clarity, and uplift your mood. In conclusion, Bee Balm is a versatile and beneficial herb that can improve your health in many ways. You can use it naturally in any form as a tea, honey, or essential oil. Bee Balm can help you in promoting your wellness and improving your quality of life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.